Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section settings, then go to accessibility, vision, TalkBack. So here you can enable TalkBack, and after that TalkBack tutorial starts.
Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at close.
Please stop. So after this mode enable, it will like spell every word on the screen, because it's made for people with blindness and vision problems. So when you're in this mode, only way to operate your device is you firstly have to select something,
close button,
then double tap
close
to
tutorial.
activate it. So close, double tap.
Navigate up.
This way you can also disable this mode, so you just tap, double tap, and then once again,
Back off.
and now it's off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.